Alright guys, check it out. Over here we got a big old subscribe button. Click it.
Okay guys, so I just checked my radar and there's a possible chance it may rain. So I do not want to risk getting my sirens wet. So instead of rainproofing the sirens, we are going to have to cancel our siren test for July. It says it got rained out. So well, keep in mind these sirens are absolutely not waterproof. They're made out of cardboard and paper. So what do you expect? And so is the music siren. They're not waterproof. And if they were, they would have so much tape on them. But they don't. You have to I have to wrap it all over. Yeah. So my siren test got rained out, unfortunately. So possibly tomorrow, maybe today, because it's getting close to midnight that I'm recording this, I'm going to go out and see the Lombard Thunderbolt 1000T tornado siren near the Madison Elementary School. So, yeah. That's where I'm going tomorrow to film another real siren test instead of just being in Rosemont all the time. We're going to go to Lombard. And, yeah. There's a P50 near Elk Grove Village on top of the water tower, so I could record that too, but it could risk being a lot more farther. But Lombard is pretty close, so I'm either going to record the P50 or I'm possibly going to record the Thunderbolt 1000T tornado siren. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. And I'm sorry we had to cancel the Moon River siren test and chime. You might as well put it down to... No, I like this chime. Stroll in the evening. I can't wait for you guys to hear that one. The Dvorak Symphony for October. So we're gonna move that down to October. And it will have to say... No, we're crossing that off. It is Moon River. Moon River. Yeah. Oh, there we go. It's blurry for a moment. But Moon River, that's what we're going to be doing. Moon River. Or if it doesn't seem to rain at all, we might as well record a, the real mini siren tests. So, yeah. It's either the mini sirens are going to go out without no rain, or it may rain, and we're going to see the Thunderbolt. So, yeah. Either these two things will happen. So I might as well get some sleep now before the big day. I might as well turn this off. I do not want to waste power. And so will this too. Alright guys, good night.